US gold price in Hyderabad stands at 16,112 రూపాయలు per gram for 24 carat gold, 99.9% purity, 14,769 రూపాయలు per gram for 22 carat gold, 91.6% purity and 12,084 రూపాయలు per gram for 18 carat gold, 75% purity. The gold rates in Hyderabad depends on the global gold rates, which are affected by many international factors including inflation, change in global prices, central bank gold reserve, fluctuating rates of interest, jewelry markets. We have given gold rates today in Hyderabad for our valuable readers. We hope you find the updated rates really useful. Want to buy gold? Get exact pricing with our gold rate calculator.